Begin with the camera controls. Unscrew the focus control cable from the focus block first. Then detach the control handle by unscrewing the pin screws and popping the pin out. Next, detach the control cable by unscrewing it from the control handle. Set the control cable out of your way, then loosen the angle screw on the handle and make sure both pieces are flat. The handle will go in the upper left pocket of the camera case. Next, unscrew the zoom control cable from the camera lens and pull the connection down to unplug it. You can leave the cable plugged into the handle. Now, detach the control handle by unscrewing the pin screws and popping the pin out. Loosen the angle screw on the handle and make sure both pieces are flat. Then place the zoom handle in the same pocket as the focus handle and carefully coil the cable into the pocket. First, unplug the cable from the camera near the camera handle. Next, you'll push both buttons on either side of the monitor and pull the monitor towards you. Loosen the angle screw on the monitor and collapse it to make it fit into the pocket easier. Place the camera monitor in the upper right pocket and coil the cable carefully. Now unplug the headset by pushing in the small metal button on the top of the plug and pulling the cable out. Carefully coil the headset cable and place it near the case. First, make sure your camera has lost power. If your camera is still on, do not unplug the triax. Once your camera is off, you can unplug the triax cable from the back of the camera. You'll want to pull up on the metal cable connection on the camera with one hand, while pulling down on the metal end of the cable with the other hand. By pulling up on the metal cable connection on the camera, the cable will be released. This is sometimes very difficult. If you need help, please come ask us. Remember to leave the camera plate on the camera. Remove the camera with its plate attached by holding the handle on the top of the camera securely with one hand. With the other hand, push the small black button on the left side of the tripod head and pull the black lever behind the camera to the left. Lift the camera off of the tripod, then put the lens cap on and put the camera away. You want the lens to be facing the same way as the case handle and the back of the camera to be facing the case wheels. Now you can organize your case. Put the headset on top of the camera with the monitor sunshade and then place the focus control cable on top. Before closing the case lid, check that nothing will get closed in the lid. Then carefully close the lid and make sure all 5 latches are closed tightly. It's okay to ask for help. If you are struggling at any point during the teardown, please don't hesitate to ask James, Marcus, or Lauren for help.